All right. Good morning, everybody. Day 45 of day trading the market open with a small account. Let's see what we got brewing today. All right. Penny stock, penny stock. Things ended up going nutty yesterday, didn't they? GLXG. NOAV, too pricey. Let's look for something better. NWTG, this is the SLP that got me yesterday. Oh, here we go. NXU, we can mess with that. Zero preparation, per usual, is what it is. I like to see GLXE just, well, if this baby lower bands, look at this lower band. That was a nice 16% move from 140 to 167. Could mess with that. GL, or what is that? GXLG. Oh yeah, we can mess with this one too. We sure can. Get that off, get that off, get that off, get that off. Which one is this? NXU. GLX. Oh yeah, let's go. Bottom out on us. Come on now. Come on now. Bottom out. Oh, I missed the lower band on NXU too. Come on. Switching tickers around. It's all right. I'm not going to let it get to me today. Emotions might have got the best of me yesterday. I'm not going to let that happen today. What do I do if can I take double shares on this? I could. GLXG. I would like for that to come down on the same candle though. No bounce for NXU. That's a warning sign. Ooh. Under lower band she goes, maybe? We'll see. See what happens. SXTP. Yeah, that was the one I said we can mess with. SXTP. Okay. All right. There's already a line right at exactly where we needed them to be. Let's wait for this, see if this lower band's out. GLXG. 2 cent, interesting. 2 4-cent spread on SXTP. That's interesting. AREB, Arriba. $12. No thank you. Penny stack, and no thank you. Small buyer stepping in there at 150 on GLXG. Let's see if that 150 holds. Need to come down to 136, 137. Need a flash down though. Come on. Come on with it. SXTP trying. What's the market doing? Look at that bounce yesterday. Holy smokes. And we're up 3.5% today. Yeah, buddy. All right, 280. SXTP needs to break 280. I'm not going to do a VWAP bounce because look, it's not really respecting this area. I see you, GLXG. I see you, big dog. You got 20 seconds to free fall down to lower band. Cause I'm free. There's 280 for SXTP. All right, GLXG, I know you're going to give me the shot at the title here. It looks like the bottom's just going to fall out on you, but when's it going to happen? Win, oh win. Where is halt downs at 213? All right, so SXTP, that's not going to work for the lower band, but it could work over here on GLXG, so we're going to wait. We wait. Oh, excuse me. Atta boy, GLXG. Faster. Faster descent. I need you to drop. Fast. Drop the knife. Falling knife. Give it to me. This entry really needs to be around like 132 now. It's just bleeding down. We don't want it to bleed down. It's still giving about a 10-cent range, which is okay. Getting closer. Flush. Don't want it to just slowly bleed down to this level. I need it to quickly move and have like a like an oversold reaction. If it just bleeds down to the area, then that's not like an oversold reaction. That's just normal supply and demand. We need a supply and demand imbalance there, which creates a flush, which then causes some buying power. That's really what we're looking for. SXTP 285 topped out at 303. $138. All right, I'm gonna give this a shot. Not the most sexy lower band play I've ever done, but we'll give it a go. We're gonna let this cook for a little bit though. We're not gonna get too antsy in our pantsy about the P&L. Needs to recover though pretty quick here. Got to use that 130 as a max L. It's the low of the previous candle. Let's map it out. Bam. Got to regain this daily level right around 132. Small buyer at 130, not big enough to make a difference. The question is, if it drops under 130, does it free fall? Oh no! Garbage. Well, might not have been garbage. Immediately I saw that under 130. I hit the exit key, but it looked like it was almost going to bottoming wick. So this is not the most sexy lower band situation. You know, lower bands on situations where it happens like this, all in one candle, much better. See how that bounced there? I know that's not a lower band situation, but this just kind of bled out. but I wanted to give it a shot anyways based on general market conditions. I didn't know if, buyers were gonna step in and kind of send this thing cruising. I was willing to wait, similar to this over here, this lower band here. I was willing to wait in several minutes, which I usually don't, but that one didn't work out. It just kind of started cruising below. So $113 L for the day. That's it. And unfortunately, that's the bounce we needed. And it came off a 124, 7% bounce. Seven percent bounce. Off of that 124, 125 area. That's tough. It's a tough pill to swallow, not gonna lie, but it is what it is. This thing breaks 134, could test EMA. Oh, yep. So that's a shame. That's a shame, but unfortunately, that's the reality of being in the small account. Again, I say it over and over again. You only got one shot. You got to make it count. You got to make it count. Which also causes me to hold trades, hold losers a little too long, which is a statistical problem for me. But that is all she wrote today. So I hope y'all pick some good trades or trade or however many trades you're going to take today. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. I'm all out of buying power, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.